Hello everyone, this is the DIY Guy Fire Alarm, and today we're going to be reviewing my entire fire alarm collection as to 2021. So this is all the fire alarm I currently have, and nothing really changed other than having more fire alarms to the collection. Now I'm recording on a different camera because my other camera SD card is currently corrupt, and it really sucks, and it's easier to film on that camera than this camera, so you may notice a little struggling, but yeah, there's really nothing I can do. But without further ado, let's get straight into my collection. So, keep it for a second. So go down like this. The first device is my Silverus Firetronic S15-something. S15-SGL. Which is rebranded by Wheelock, and it will be an IS single gain strobe. This is my Edward 895B-201. This is my Edward 892-2B. Keep it for 1 second. This is my Edward this is my Edward Chime strobe. Model number is 757-7A-CS. This is my Edward remote strobe 202-7A-T. This is the problem we're talking about, but disregard that. This is my Edward 270 FPO. This is my Faraday 5508W. This is my FCI that's STW, that's beast. I'm mistaken. Or it's close. It's B, that's STW. Alright. This is my FCI ACF.STW 3-tone horn strobe. This is my Federal Signal 450D Halon strobe. This is my 4050.001T pulsation. This is my Yangwell 70403 rebranded V7001T. This is my Gentet GS90 4-1675WR. This is my Genset GMS 15 candela strobe. I do not have the model number information, unfortunately, so I'm just assuming it's a 15 candela strobe. This is a Gentet Commander 3 BNG1. I'm not gonna pull that because it's a little too far. This is a Potter Commander 4 remote strobe. CS 24WR if I'm not wrong. This is my Simplex 2902-93 something. Oh, I forgot the model number for this. It's a 2902-90. Yeah, I forgot the model number. I put it up there right now. This is my Simplex 2901-9840. This is my Simplex 2901-9838. This is my Simplex 4901-9703. 4901-9705. Oh, excuse me, I mean 4902. Both of them are 4902s. My bad. This is my Simplet 4901, 4904 9101, 4904 9104, and 4903 9101. Now the reason why I said this is the 9101 because basically this does not come out with a model number, and most strobes are either this or that remote version of this. So moving on. This right here is my Simplet 4903 9202 early variant electrical mechanical horn strobe. It flashes pretty slow, and that's pretty much it. This is my Simplet 4903 9219. This is my Simplet 4903 9220 converted. This is my Simplet 4903 9221. Excuse me for 1 second. This is my Simplet 4903 9236. This is my Simplet 4903 9242. And finally, at least, this is my Simplet 4903 9147. Excuse me for that. And on down to the true alerts. This is my Simplet 4904 9425. 4904, no, 4903 9425, my bad. 4903 9426. This is a 4904 9144. I don't know if you noticed, but this is pretty in a really bad condition. I will find a replacement for it, but the strobe still works. There's the tag. This is my Simplet 3904 9137. No, I don't think you can see it. Let's try to get the light in. This is my Simplet 4904 9168 early gen. This is my Simplet 4904 9169. Oops. This is my Simplet 4251-20 first gen. Whoops, I have this open. There you go. This is my Simplet 2099-9756, if I'm not mistaken. It used to be adjustable, but I converted it, and it's almost kind of useless. Now we're on to system sensor. This is my, whoops, my bad. This is my first gen MASS 24. One generation you have to break the clip in order to change the tone. Same thing here is the 12 volt version. This is my system sensor MASS 12 LO. This is my system sensor MASS 24 LOB. This is my system sensor SS 24 1575 ADA. Really, this is my system sensor. Excuse me. MASS 24 1575 ADA. This is my Spectral Alert Classic Multi Candela Horn Strobe. This is my Spectral Alert Advance. My Spectral Alert Advance low frequency sounder. This is my Wheelock Rail Siemens ZR strobe. This is my Wheelock 7002T. This is my Wheelock C7001T. This is my Wheelock EHS DL1. EHS EL1, excuse me. This is the Wheelock EHS DL1 WM if I'm not I think it's 24 WM. Let me look at the back. Yeah. Excuse me. Hey, I have a stroke today. EHDO1 WM24-W. This is very rare. This is my Wheelock MT 24 LSM. I got this today. This is my Wheelock MIZ-24 LSM with smoke lettering on it. This is my Wheelock MT12-WH. This is my Wheelock NS4. That's MCW. That's FW. And it's supposed to be white, but I don't know, whatever it is. This is my first gen Wheelock AS 24-1575 vertical. This is my Wheelock RSS, that's MCW. This is my Wheelock AS, that's MCW. This is my Wheelock RSSA, that's MCW. This is my Wheelock ASWP, basically means weatherproof. General alarm. This is my Wheelock RSSB, the MCW. Sorry to interrupt the video. I forgot to add one of these alarms to the floor, but it's full and I really couldn't put there. So, first device up here is my Wheelock E7090. Excuse me, 9070.ISS24. Speaker strobe. The Wheelock is either remote strobe, the horn strobe. I don't know where I put it. This is my Wheelock MTWPA, if I'm not mistaken. MTWPA. That's 2475W MT. And that's pretty much it. Now back on to the video. And last but not least, this is my Wheelock CH90. That's 24 MCW. This is the second gen, which is the current gen, and I think they're discontinued. But that's pretty much it. That is my entire fire alarm collection. If you like me reviewing this, make sure you like the video. And if you have any questions about fire alarms, about my fire alarm collection and so on, go ahead and comment below. I hope y'all have a great New Year Eve and Happy New Year's, and until then, see you in the next one.